Yo, we're back out here in the Tundra, doing a little bit more work today. So I have the JBL upgraded sound system. Hopefully the lighting is good in here. It's kind of dim in the shot, but upgraded sound system in this thing. And this panel right here rattles. You see that? See that? Whenever I turn the music up, it just rattles. It's annoying on a truck like this. It's kind of silly that this panel rattles, but I think I have a solution. Let me see here. These out of my backpack. So I think I have a solution. I bought these at Walmart. Felt pads, self-stick. Kind of see, I don't know if you can see how thick those are. I don't know, they're like 2 millimeters maybe. But what I'm going to try and do, I'm going to pop this panel off and take a look at the underside. And if I can find a few flat surfaces, I'm going to stick some of these pads on and put this panel back on. And hopefully that'll create some pressure and some tension in here. I'm going to do it to both sides and the front doors because they both rattle. And I hope that that eliminates the rattle. Alright, I hope you can see here. I think this panel just pops off. So I'm going to wedge my plastic pry tool in here. Just start gently working it up. Here's some of these clips are coming loose. Just going to try and lift this straight up. Just want to graze the door panel. Let's see. There we go. Disconnect this. Just kidding. There we go. Clip did not want to come loose. So there's a few spots on here, but really this may not work because there's nothing really that can hold it. So it's like this. You could maybe put some around this clip. You could put some around this clip. I'm gonna give this a go. I guess I'll show you here. So I thought this felt would work, but as you can see, it's just a cutout space, so no wonder it rattles. So I can try and put some felt. I'm going to try and put some felt along this spot here, because that connects here. And then maybe a piece or two in the back, but I don't know. I'm almost thinking maybe you run some like rubber or like electrical tape here to thicken this up, so when it snaps in it holds better. So we're gonna figure something out here. There's some isopropyl alcohol. Need to clean off this panel and get this adhesive to stick good, so I'm just gonna wipe down any surface that I want to stick anything to. Make sure it's nice and clean, no dirt, no debris. It's like a little bit of dirt is coming off, so. That'll help. Let's see. I'm going to stick one of these right here. Stick another one right beside it. So I put 2 felt pads up there, put one back here. Still think I want to run some type of tape or something right here. Let's see how much this is gonna go. I guess it goes flush right there. And if I can force this to grab a little tighter when it sits down along this lip, I think that'll help with the vibration too, the rattle. Got this Gorilla Tape here. I'm going to try and take a thin strip. You can see that? I'm going to run it right here. Let's see if that makes a difference. Just try and thicken this up a little bit. I'm going to snap this back in, see how it feels. It was kind of wobbly before. See if it feels any better. Oh, but actually, it's not moving near as much. Like, that feels way more sturdy. Everything's clipped in, snapped in. You can't see the tape there. I'll have to listen to some music with some bass and see if it rattles or not, but it seems pretty sturdy. I'm gonna do the other side now. Alright, well, we're at the passenger side now, and just gonna do the same process over again. And this side looks the same. Just like this spot here, can probably put some felt pads on, and I'm gonna put one back here again. And I think I'll run the Gorilla Tape along the edge here. So I'm gonna clean off these surfaces real quick. This, so I'm not applying anything to this side. Doesn't really matter. Felt tabs here. Show you. I'm going to put a piece of tape on here and then I'll bring the camera over to show you. Just roll that tape right over. Bring this over. So you can see let me adjust the camera here. 2 felt pieces here, one and one right there, and then put the tape, just folded it over the lip there, try to keep it nice and flush. And we're gonna stick this panel back on and see if it holds up like the driver's side did. In. Oh, that's way, like this side feels even better than the driver's side does. This feels way snug now. There's like no play. I should have done a before and after. This panel on both sides, you could move this thing side to side on these Tundras. I had a Tacoma, 2002 Tacoma before this, and it did the same thing. But it's like 15 years Toyota. This shouldn't be rattling, not on an interior like this, especially if you're going to be upgrading the sound system. Alright, well, that's it for this video. Just wanted to show some people out there what I was trying to do to fix this. I'll maybe make a follow-up video that shows if this worked or not. I think this is going to work, but I'll have to ride and play with it. It only does it with certain songs, so I need to tinker and see what it sounds like, but it's not moving at all, so I can't imagine it's going to vibrate and rattle. So thank you all for watching. I appreciate it.